Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my dear traders, today we are not going to use any extra tools, just technical analysis. I'm going to show you how I trade using support and resistance levels, uptrends, downtrends, and other patterns on the market. So I plan to start with $127 on my deposit. My plan today will be to make around $5,000 or $6,000. Let's see how everything will go. So if I will be able to achieve such amount, I'm going to show you something else, how I withdraw my funds from Quotex platform, because many of you sometimes asking me questions, and I'm going to show you step by step how I'm doing that. But before that, guys, we have to earn this amount of money. And so let's not waste time and start trading. So guys, I'm going to explain everything to you. Here we see that there is a good confident downtrend, and also at the same time there is a support level at the bottom. At the same time we see that the main price highs are getting lower, and guys, we understand that the price has a great potential to go down. The price is approaching the level. Also, at the same time, there's still room before the support level, and let's open 3-minute deal to go downtrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future, and this is a downward movement that we will try to profit from. Guys, I also chosen 3-minute time frame with a margin in case of consolidation or rollback upwards. Guys, as you understand, even with the downtrends, also rollbacks in the opposite direction can occur, and also the price can move in the consolidation zone. That's why we chose such time. Also guys, as you can see, there is a certain compression of the support level. I think that 3 minutes will be quite enough here, and yeah, that's quite likely that this level will be broken in the near future. So my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Great, guys, the price really continued to move to the level. Also, this level was broken. We got a profit here, while 3 minutes were enough for us. Well guys, it's a good start. It's our first profit. I think it's amazing. So let's continue, guys. So here we see that at the moment there was a good confident uptrend. Also at the same time there is a resistance level at the top. After touching this level there was a rollback and the price moved in the consolidation zone. And now at the moment there is a certain compression of the resistance level, and this means that it is quite possible that in the near future this level will be broken. After all, we also see that the price here has an excellent potential to rise. Also, the main price lows are getting higher. I suggest to open a deal here for just 1 minute to go up, but now we are going to watch the price for a while. And guys, we are going to wait for the moment when the price starts to go beyond the level, and as soon as the moment comes, we will open a deal to go up. Guys, we will open a deal to go up. As you can see at the moment, a confident and positive green candle has formed. At the same time, it went beyond the level. So at the moment, there is a breakthrough of the resistance level. And on this movement, we will try to make money. Guys, perhaps we will get into the very impulsive moment of the price upwards at the very moment of breaking through the level. And as a rule in such situations, 1 minute is quite enough. And so guys, I hope this time it will work out well. And so my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Well, as you can see, the resistance level was indeed broken. Confident green candles were formed. We have correctly managed to predict the further price movement on the chart. In most cases, these situations worked out perfectly, guys. And I suggest to continue our trading session. So here we have a support level. Also, we see that this level has been broken and the price moving down quite confidently. Red candles are forming. So it is quite possible that in the near future, after breaking the level, the price will fall into the correction zone, and there will be a rollback in the opposite direction. This is especially likely after a confident unidirectional movement. Just now, there is a certain continuation, guys. The price stops, and here we open a deal for 1 minute to go up. I think that there will be at least a slight upward pullback, and it is on this upward movement that we will try to earn, guys. Well, as in most cases, guys, everything works about the same way, and I hope that this time we will be able to earn on this moment. So my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Excellent, the price indeed entered the correction zone, and as you can see, there was a rollback upwards and we got the profit. Guys, at the same time, 1 minute was quite enough for us. Well, everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. Here at the top we have resistance level. Also at the same time we see that there was a confident uptrend here. The price has come to the level and at the moment there is a certain tightening. This means that it is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. Therefore, guys, we will now observe the price for a while. If the price starts to go beyond the level, we will open a deal up at the very moment. Okay, a confident positive green candle is being formed, and here we will open a deal to go up. Guys, as you can see, just at this moment the price begins to go beyond the level. That is just now there is a breakthrough of the resistance level, and it's quite possible that we will get into the very impulsive moment of the price upwards. It is on this upward movement that we will try to earn. And guys, you already know that in such situations 1 minute is quite enough. And so my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. So my dear traders, there was a certain attenuation, but still upward movement continued. The resistance level was really broken, and this at the same time 1 minute was enough for us. And as you can see, guys, we were be able to manage further movement of the chart. Guys, everything is going great, and as you can see, guys, on such situations you can really earn. So let's continue. Okay, in this case I suggest immediately to open a 1 minute deal to go up, since we see that there is also resistance level at the top. We also see that after the pullback the price approached the level with confident green candles. At the same time the price begins to go beyond the level, and guys, it is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. It is on this upward movement that we will try to make money. At the moment a very confident and positive green candle has formed. So guys, let's wait for the result. Perfect. So as you can see, the price continued to move upwards. The resistance level was indeed broken and we got a profit here. Once again, guys, we have managed to profit from this situation, and as you can see, in most cases they work out well. And so guys, let's continue. So here at the bottom we have a support level. At the same time we see that at the moment there is a good confident downtrend. Guys, predominantly red candles are formed, and at the same time there's still room before the support level. I suggest that in this case we will open a 3 minute deal to go down following downtrend, with a greater probability that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level, since we see that the price has an excellent potential to go down here. So this is the movement we are going to try to make money on. At the same time I also took 3 minutes in case possible consolidation or a rollback upwards. Guys, I hope this time will be enough for us, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. Well, guys, the price continued to move towards the level and we got the profit here. 3 minutes was enough for us, guys. The price really has a great potential to go down. This situation worked out perfectly well. Meanwhile, I already have almost $4,000 on deposit. I suggest that we will open one more deal for today. So guys, give me some time to find the situation and we will continue. Okay guys, our last situation. Here at the top we see a resistance level. Also we see that at the moment there is a good confident uptrend. The price is moving up quite confidently and is approaching our level, and also at the same time there's still room before the level. So guys, let's open 3-minute deal with you on the uptrend. We see that the price has an excellent potential for increase with a greater probability that the price will continue to move towards the level, and we'll try to make money on this upward movement. Guys, I hope that 3 minutes will be totally enough for us if there is a possibility of consolidation or a downward pullback. And so my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. So my dear traders, it was quite good, price moved in waves, but still the upward movement continued and we got the profit. At the same time, 3 minutes, it was just enough for us. We managed to earn on this uptrend. Guys, meanwhile, I have already $6,500 on the deposit, so I suggest that we finish on this. I'm taking the profit and leaving the market, and since I managed to achieve the task, I suggest leaving a request for the withdrawal of funds. Guys, to do this, click on the withdrawal button. After that, we will be in the withdrawal menu. In this line, we need to select the payment method. I choose Binance Pay here. Also, in this line, we need to enter the amount that we want to withdraw, guys. I will leave a request for $6,500. Therefore, I'm writing this amount here. And in the next two lines, I have written my name. Then in the next line, I have selected the Binance email account. Also in the next line I have written the Binance email account. So all our lines are filled in. Now we can click on the confirm button. Well, that's great. Our application has been accepted for processing. This means that in the near future this amount of $6,500 will be credited on my Binance platform. Now we need to wait for this moment. Once the funds are credited to my Binance account, I will show you the rest. So guys, now we are with you on the Binance platform. The funds have already arrived on my account, so now we will see with you how it happened. Guys, to do this, we go to this menu, then select the assets history section. So great, guys, here is our top payment. There was a credit plus 6,500 USDT. The full amount has arrived. Now let's click on this line, then let's click on the details button, and let's take a closer look. As you can see, guys, there is a 6,500 USDT. It took a little less than 6 hours from the moment the order was placed on the Quotex platform to the moment the funds were transferred to the Binance platform. In general, I believe that this is relative short time. Sometimes, of course, the funds arrive much faster. However, guys, there may be also that sometimes you have to wait a bit more. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was very useful for you. So don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more strategies, more useful tutorials. Also, guys, I also have a close community where I share my trading signals. These are my trading signals and they're totally for free. So if you want to join us, you have to text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I will leave the links down below. It's your time to join my community of patient traders. So my dear traders, I will see you in the next video. I wish you to have successful trading sessions on your own. Bye bye.